Hello everyone, this is my review of the GLAKER Professional Coalesce Hair Clippers. These hair clippers have a unique design that makes them stand out for both professional barbers and individuals seeking quality haircuts at home. It has a complete haircut kit, which includes a full set of attachment guards, ensuring versatility for various hair lengths and styles. For cordless convenience, it's equipped with a rechargeable battery, providing the freedom to move without being tethered by cords. One clipper has adjustable taper level, which allows for precise length control, facilitating seamless blending and fading. The other has various head attachments for just about every grooming need. It has an economic design crafted for comfort and ease of use, reducing hand fatigue during extended grooming sessions. The GLAKER Hair Clippers comes with a cleaning brush and oil for keeping sharp blades and reliable performance so that you deliver a clean cut comparable to professional salons, and includes a hair apron for cutting convenience. I highly recommend it, and I hope this review helps.